Can I go for you?
Yeah, can I get a large number 3 combo? And that's gonna be with a large Dr. Pepper.
Alright.
And then can I get a 10-piece chicken nuggets, just the nuggets, with barbecue sauce? Barbecue sauce. And that'll be all.
$15.85.
Thank you. Alright guys, so we got some McDonald's and $15. That's how much it costs for McDonald's, $15. Alright, now that we got our food, I am going to get some gas because I'm running a little low. And to avoid it being like super expensive, it's best to fill up when you're almost like halfway. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm thinking about going to the beach and eating my McDonald's. So I've actually been wanting a new car, but I'm not really sure. Like, I can save up to get one. I'm qualified for one, but I still have $4,000 something left to pay on this car. I've been looking at a BMW X3, and ever since I've been looking at them, I've been seeing them everywhere that I look, like everywhere. Even whenever I'm driving, I always see one. And whenever I was just slowing down to a stop just a second ago, there was the X5 that was just turning. So there's BMWs everywhere, you know, like, I'm bound to get one, because that's the car that I really want. I want at least a 2012, 2013, or 2015, because that's the only ones that I can kind of afford, because anything over that's going to be like 20,000 and above. If I stick to like a 2012, 2013 to 15, it's going to be only like maybe 16,000, and that's with like 100,000 miles on it. And I don't want anything that's like more than 100,000. All right, guys, I'm going to get gas now, so I'll be right back. So, it was $32 for 8 gallons. It was $4 a gallon. Really ridiculous. I'm sorry, but I'm thirsty. I have to get something to drink. All right, let's go to the beach. I'm going to show you the beach in just a second. So there is the beach. How'd you guys like that? So, I am actually going to eat my food now before it gets cold. All right, so we got French fries, chicken nuggets. With barbecue sauce. And we also got double quarter pounder with cheese. Those are like my favorite. That's what I normally get. Oh, and, which you've already seen, a large Dr. Pepper. And it actually tastes like Dr. Pepper. Every time I go to McDonald's and I get like a Coke or a Diet Coke or something, it's always off because the, I guess the syrup or something is off or the carbonation is off. So it's like, ew. But this time, it's actually pretty good. I'm gonna start off with my double quarter pounder with cheese. Look at that. Yum. Mmm. Wow. I would walk on the beach, but you have to pay for parking. Yeah, you gotta pay for parking at the pay station. And if you're in your car, you don't have to pay for it. But if you actually go onto the beach, you have to pay for it. They're not gonna bug you if you're just in your car. Mmm, so good. So yummy. Yum. I don't know what it is, but the cheese, I get it every time because the double quarter pounder cheese. The cheese is just so good. I don't know what they use, but it's just so good. Mm. So I had off of work yesterday, and I didn't do anything yesterday. The only thing that I did yesterday was I slept until 11 something. Got up, ate some broccoli salad because I made some broccoli salad. And like the night before, and it was so good. Oh my god. Broccoli salad is just so amazing. I might actually do a video of me making my broccoli salad because it's my famous Ryan's broccoli salad. And yeah, I should totally make a video about it. I don't know why I haven't yet, but I will. Another thing that happened in my life is my grandfather passed away. He passed away on, I think it was March 15th or 14th, something like that. And then he was buried on my mom's birthday, which if you guys didn't already know, my mom passed away on March 17th. And that was like one of the hardest things that I ever went through because I was only 19 at the time. And so she passed away on the 17th. Her birthday was the 18th. My grandpa passed away on, I want to say the 14th or 15th, and then he was buried on my mom's birthday. So after the funeral and everything, because he was a veteran, he fought in 2 world wars. Or no, he fought in World War II and then Vietnam. That's what it was. And they did a whole veteran, you know, burial and everything with the, you know, the American flag over the casket and, you know, the military people carrying him and everything. But yeah, he, his funeral was really nice. It was very, emotional. I was really close with my grandpa. That's what we call him, Grampy. I was really close with him whenever I was growing up, but then I kind of like slipped away because I, you know, life happens. Yum. Look at that. So good. Another thing, I got a promotion at work, which means more money. And my boyfriend, Jay, he also got well, not a promotion, but like a raise. He got a raise. So my friend, Dr. Phil, actually has something to say. Go ahead, Dr. Phil.
Hey y'all, Dr. Phil here. Subscribe to Life by Ryan. Let's get him to 1,000 subscribers. Comment below to have a chance of appearing in Ryan's next video. Follow Ryan on Twitter at lifebyryan_.
Alright guys, I think I'm done. If you'd like to, you can subscribe to me so you'll get my videos in your subscription box. Hit that little bell notification so you know anytime I go live or upload a video. I hope you had fun hanging with me, because I had fun hanging with you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.